Alright, I'm going to show you how to put the last routine together, which was a Queen's Assembly. I'm going to show you how to do the opener for the effect, okay? You're going to have some cards selected, okay, any cards you want. And what you're going to do, it's going to look just like this, see? It's very, very clean. You're going to come over like this, you're going to set the cards down. So you could have selected any of these cards. All the cards are different, right? And then you say, but look, you selected. Trying to find one of those queens. Looks like you found all four from it. So that's a really simple effect, and the way you do that is this is great for an opener. Then you go into the 4 queens assembly. So I'm teaching you how to routine. It's progressive. It's very nice. You have the 4 queens on the bottom of the pack, okay, or the 4 aces, whatever you're going to use for this. Start off, give the deck some shuffles. These are legitimate shuffles. You're just dropping a block first. You know. You can do a Hindu shuffle, pull them out of the middle. Whatever you do, just retain your stock on the bottom of those queens. So you can shuffle the deck regularly like this. You know, give it some cuts. Just don't flash the bottom of the card there, right? The Winnipeg cut, whatever you want to do to just retain your stock, okay? There's many. There's an Erdnase cut. You know, refer to other videos for false cuts and shuffles. But the shuffle is not really false. It's just you're dropping a block, right? You can do cuts. These are legitimate cuts. There's nothing wrong with these cuts except for they're coming out of the middle, just like a Hindu, right? That will retain your stock. Simple enough. Now, you're going to do a move which is a classic move here, and this is what you do. You're going to have 4 people select cards. You say from 4 different parts of the deck. As you go through the deck, you have them touch cards. You out-jug them. You're not going to show them yet. You're going to spread and hold a pinky break on those bottom queens, okay, as you square up. Now, as you come forward to take these out, okay, they can see these cards. As you come forward, what's going to happen is it's going to bring this underneath here so that you have the 4 cards, but you have a break on them with the queens underneath them, correct? Now, it all happens really fast, and let's back it up and we'll show you. You'll have a break, and then you'll just come across like this as you're coming forward. So it doesn't look like anything. It's very clean. It just looks like you're spreading the pack out, just like that. So let's go over that one more time in case you missed it. 4 queens are on the bottom. Give the deck some shuffles, keeping them on the bottom. Give it some Hindu type shuffles, but these are, cuts. These are legitimate cuts, but it's like a Hindu shuffle, right? But from like a table. You could do it in the hands if you prefer. Now you have 4 cards selected, any card you like from 4 different places. And then as you go through, you get a break on those bottom queens, not showing them, of course. You're then going to spread it a little like that. You're going to pull these back, okay, holding a break, and then you're going to take the deck and you're going to steal it as you come forward, okay? So it's just like that. What it looks like is you say, look, you had a free choice of any of these cards. All the cards are different. You could have chose any card, see? And you go, look. So this is a nice opener to go into any kind of 4 of a kind effect with the 4 aces or 4 queens. Enjoy.